how to attach and send a contact info in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then open up the text conversation. Next, tap on the add button here. Then tap on contacts. In contacts, scroll down the list and select a contact that you would like to send. So in this list here, I will select this example contact, and in here you can choose to send the contact info as a file or as a text. So here, if I select file and then tap on send, that will send the whole VCF file to the recipient. And that's it. So that's how you can attach and send a contact info to your friends or families or other business associates. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.